Hey, what's good everyone? I recently bought these Asics Gel 1130 Birch Sand because a friend made me do it. Because these remind me a lot of the Highs and Lows collabs that released easy a year ago. So, but I had to get them. Really like the colorway, and I had been thinking about pulling the trigger on these for a long time, and these finally came for a good price in a sale, so I had to grab them, and not mad at all. I do have a couple of 1130s already. I think this is my fourth one or so, and as much as I like the shoe, there's a major problem with it. The insole is no good at all. Footbed is non-existent. This is just a piece of thin foam or a little bit thicker foam, but it's causing problems in my knees and my feet. My my feet has lowered. I do not have enough support underneath my arch anymore, so they are dropping and they are rub against the inner liner here, as you can see in this one. That's where it's starting. Getting holes in there, and this one here is so bad that I put some gaff tape into it to prevent it from getting worse. But that's a really easy solution because you can rip these out. These are not glued in that much. I'd suggest taking a hairdryer to get them out. I did this before, and it's real easy to get them out. There's not a lot of glue in there, so really easy job, but in order to prevent from ripping anything, take the hairdryer, and as you can see, there's nothing, just a flat piece of foam. So these gotta go. I'm using an insole of a shoe that I'm not using very much. This is from a New Balance 990 V4, and as you can see, this is a lot better. And also, it lets me put something underneath here, which increases the support, because like I said, they're probably turning or rolling against the inside of here and then causing damage. And this is also happening on the New Balance 1906 and on my Giuliano 14. And there it happened really early on both sides. It sucks if you have a sneaker that's like, what, 160 or so, and you're getting holes in them. So that's my fix. And I'm also gonna use one of these foam inserts here, memory foam. This is not the right size, so, but I'm just putting it here to demonstrate the thing. Just put it underneath that section, and that's just a momentary solution. I know I have to get some orthopedic insoles or something that's giving me more support than this, but this fixes it for the time being, so that I can wear them. It works. I tried it on other sneakers before in the past couple days, and it's much more relief on my knees and my feet. I think the midsole here is too soft on those shoes, where it causes some problems or so. I also prefer a little bit of firmer midsole. I think still this is going to be much an improvement. So that's basically it. Little tip from me. Yeah, not sure if I'm gonna go with the pink laces here or if I'm gonna keep them. I think it looks better in person than it does on video. Maybe I'm gonna go with the original ones. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So that's it from me for today with the 1130 Birch Sand. Very nice colorway, very nice sneaker, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I'm going to see you in the next one. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.